Welcome back to Care Simplified channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me and then hit the like button as well. Right, today we are going to look at how to use a quick style for grade 10 CAT learners. Right, we normally apply a style to headings so that it will allow us to generate automatic table of content. Now, these are the headings, the effect of green jobs on the economy and environment. So when you select that heading, from the home tab, you see styles with various styles. Now, if I want to apply the first heading, I click on the heading style. So this heading style, if I want it to be also for the second one, I go there, heading 1. Now, if you want this one, job creation, to be heading 2, you select it, styles, heading 2. You select them, and then you apply the heading. Now with this, let's say this particular style, heading 1 and heading 2, you don't like the default color and then the default font size. You can make changes to it. How do we do that? When you go to the style, let's say heading 1, you right click on it and then you find modify. Alternatively, you can also change the name. You can remove it also, and you can add it to quick access toolbar. And also, if you want to see how many have been applied, when you right click, you see. So here we go to modify, and then you see the heading name. If you want to change it to, let's say, favorite or cat, you type the name cat. And if we don't want the color to be this and we want the color to be red, you change it. If you want to bold it and italize, if you want to change the font size, you can equally do that. And then when you are done doing all this, you can even change the border by going to format, and then you see the border, and then you can apply a border around it. You can go to format, then you do that. When you are done, then you take here, update automatically, so that all the heading ones that you have already applied in your document, it will be there automatically. So let me take it, and then I click OK. So all the heading ones will have this new font and then new border and everything that has been applied. Right. So the same applies to our heading 2. We can modify it as well. And then maybe you want to choose different color for it, and then the size to be 14. And then the format, maybe you don't want the border this time around. You want to change the font. So the font, you want to change it to, let's say, different font. With underline style and everything, small caps. Update automatically. Right, so that it will also have nice. So you can just do this by changing the font and the other things like the paragraph and other things from the modify dialog box. Now, when you are done with this, applying all your font, let's say you want to see how many heading 1 styles are there. When you go there, then you right click, then you see select data. It's going to highlight all the heading 1s that have been applied in your document. And then you go back there, you right click, you see select all instances, that is 2. It means the heading 1 appeared twice. So you can use that one by right clicking, and then you see select all. Now with this, you can easily insert your table of content. Now, if you want your table of content to be inserted automatically, you can easily go there and then you go to insert table of content or references, references, table of content. So because you use default heading 1 and heading 2, then it will be there automatically. So the styles, the table of content depend on the style that has been applied in your document. Right. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.